Okay, so this here is our room.
Hello! Hello! Look at that view. We got a chicken.
Hello, mummy. Neighbour. Okay, here we are.
Paradise.
5 o'clock in the morning here. Whoa, look at the big waves. We're going to get sucked in to the sea. Our first morning here in Tobago. We're just going for a little stroll because we were unable to get used to the time difference, so we woke up at 5 in the morning. And Nicola, how are you finding it?
Oh, it's amazing. So pretty around here, you can't describe it. But it's just incredible. It's so deep. It's so deep.
Nicola looking for crabs. She's looking for our dinner later. She's having me on. She's having me on. So yeah, the beach we just walked across. From here all the way up there, past Nicola, is where all the turtles come, the leatherback sea turtles. They come and lay their eggs. Generally over night time though, we've been told. But yeah, we're definitely looking forward to seeing that. Very good, mummy. How are you this morning?
Really good, really good. When they run, they make a dash straight for the water because they're worried about the birds getting them. So they literally scuttle about. And then yeah, you're right. They look like giants.
They had to take away the bubble.
But you can see where the flippers are, see either side. It's a bit tired before it went back to the sea.
They went out on a night on the town,
Yeah.
had a kebab, and then
Rock punches.
went out. That's mum's breakfast.
Very good for you, spirulina.
Did he take?
You stole one.
Yeah, you're not allowed to. And actually, do you remember when
Breaking news. Mum stole a shell from Tobago.
Yeah, well it was at least 20 years ago.
Oh, okay. You would have done your time by now. crocodiles on the beach. That's something you don't see every day. Turtles. Okay, so yesterday we had a lovely first day of relaxing. We walked the beach all the way to the left, all the way to the right, and spent pretty much all day on the beach and by the pool drinking rum punch. So that was our day yesterday, but today we are going to go to the nylon pool. Yeah, we'll see you there.